Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on authentication and access control. First, let's define what authentication is. Authentication is the process of verifying that someone is who they claim to be. This is usually done by having the user provide a username and password, and then checking that information against a database of valid users. Next, let's talk about access control. Access control is the process of controlling who is allowed to access a certain resource, such as a website or a file. This can be done using a variety of methods, such as role-based access control, where a user's role determines what they can access, or rule-based access control, where a set of rules is used to determine what a user can access. There are many different types of authentication methods that can be used, such as password-based authentication, where a user provides a username and password to gain access. Another method is biometric authentication, where a user's physical characteristics, such as their fingerprints or facial features, are used to verify their identity. In addition to these methods, there are also multi-factor authentication methods, which require the user to provide multiple forms of authentication, such as a password and a fingerprint, for added security. Access control can also be implemented in different ways, such as role-based access control, where a user's role determines what they can access, or rule-based access control, where a set of rules is used to determine what a user can access. It's also important to note that these methods can be used in combination to provide added security. For example, a user might be required to provide both a password and a fingerprint to gain access to a certain resource. Overall, authentication and access control are important concepts to understand when it comes to keeping your personal information and resources secure. By using different authentication methods and access control techniques, you can ensure that only authorized users are able to access the information or resources that they need. Thanks for watching. If you have any question regarding authentication and access control, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Have a great day.